So today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up a new Gmail account. Maybe if you want to create a Gmail account and you don't know how to go about it, this video is going to guide you to do that. So to start, you need to just go to your browser and then just type gmail.com. So when you type gmail.com and then you enter, it will land you to this particular page. Now when you come here, if you already have a Gmail account, you can put in your Gmail account to sign in. But in our case, we want to create a new account. So when you just check below here, you see create account. Now when you tap on the create account, we have about 3 options that you can use to create an account. That is for personal use or maybe for a child. The child is someone who is just beneath 13 years. So Google policy state that if your child is below 13 years, then probably the account will be managed by a parent. So you can choose this so that you can control the child account using the Google Family app on your phone. And then also you can choose to create an account for your business or for your work. So here in our case, I'm going to create an account for personal use. So I just use the first option. All right, so now when you come here, you need to put in your first name and then your surname. So if the account is for personal use, you have to put in your first name and your surname. That is an option. All right, so I'll just use the first name as Elmira and then maybe the last name or the surname. So now from there you go to next, and when you go to next, here you need to put in your basic information, so your date of birth. So you're going to put in any information. All right, and I'll choose the gender, that is female. Then from there I'll go to next. Now when you go to next, Google will suggest a Gmail account based on your name. So if you check here, he's picking our first and then last name as our Gmail account, or maybe your first and your last name as your Gmail account. So any of this you can choose, or if you want to create your own, maybe you don't like any one of these, you want to create your own, you can just go to create your Gmail account. So if you are okay with this, you can pick one. If you are not okay, you can also go to create your own Gmail. So here you need not to just add the @Gmail. You probably just have to put in what you want to start and then you leave this one like that. So let's assume maybe I just want to add something and see. I want to use this. So let's go to next and see. All right, so now they have picked that one. So here I have to put in a password. So creating a password for my account. So you can just choose anything, but I will suggest that your password is supposed to be strong. So you can mix letters and numbers and symbols as well. This makes your account more secure. All right, so now I'll just go to next, and it's telling me that my password is not strong. All right, so let's choose a password that involves letters and symbols. All right, now there is one thing that we need to know. So now Google wants all users that create accounts on Gmail to verify their account. So here it says that to verify some information before creating the account. So what you have to do is that you can scan the QR code with your phone. So if you have any phone, you can just open your camera and then scan with this one. Google will send you a verification to the phone. Then you can continue on with it. So let me just scan it with my phone and continue. All right, so as soon as you do that from your phone, it will just update it on the web, and then here we are through. So it's asking us for a recovery email. Now when we talk about recovery email, in case you forget your account or your account is locked, or you forget your password or anything that you want to recover your account, you can put in an email that you can use to recover. It is not compulsory, so you can skip it. It can be done later. So let's skip it here. All right, so now we are through. So this is my email. This is my new email. So I'll just go to next, right? Then you scroll down to I agree. These are the terms, there's no need to be reading, but you can go through and read it as well. So you just go to I agree. All right, so now we will be land to our new Gmail account. There you see the interface of our Gmail account. So we are done. Now let's see how it goes. All right, so now this is our inbox. If you create a new Gmail account, you realize your inbox or your email is empty, there is nothing here. So that's how you can create a new Gmail account. I'll be doing a video where I'll be showing you how to send mail from your first account that you have made. Now, if this video has been very helpful to you, please give it a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if today happens to be your first time, and then also try to share this video for someone. All right, so now after you are done with whatever you want to do and you want to sign out, you can just go to this icon here, that is your profile, and then you see sign out. So sign out will log you out from here. If it's your own computer, you can leave it, but for security purpose and reason, you can sign out your account. So when you sign out, always, if you want to access it, you need to sign in.